Girlfriend, do you put your makeup on in your car? Well, this is the perfect video for you because I'm sure you've asked yourself, how can you put your makeup on in the car without having a mess? Well, we're going to get down to the bottom of that in today's video. We'll see you on the other side. Hi there, my name is Ingafay, and I am a beauty enthusiast. And in today's video, we are going to share with you a 2-in-1 multitasker product that will allow you to get more bang for your buck when you're putting your makeup in the car. Secondly, we're going to talk about exactly how to use this product and the best 2 tools that you can use to apply it. And last but definitely not least, we're going to talk about how you can actually put your hand in your makeup bag without your hand coming out messy. Let's do this, shall we? So now, let's talk about this multitasker product that I think you will absolutely love, girlfriend. Now, if you're anything like me, I'm sure that when it comes to you putting on your makeup to go to work, you probably do it in your car. And when you do it on the car, it's not like you need a whole bunch of stuff to put on. You just put on maybe the bare necessities. Probably some mascara, maybe a little eyeshadow, maybe not, or even a cheek and lip color. Well, today I want to tell you about this 2-in-1 product, girl, that will allow you to use it as a lip color as well as a cheek color. Yes, it is a 2-in-1 color product, and it comes in 4 great colors that will look great on you. And I actually have it on now. One of the colors are called Spice Berry, and I have it on my cheeks as well as my lips. You can also get the next color, which is called Luxe Lilac. It looks great on as well, and I'm sure you'll see that in this picture next to me. And then the next product is Mauve Sunset. This product is absolutely gorgeous, girl, and I think it would be great on you if you're of the lighter complexion. So check that out as well. And last but definitely not least, we have Peach Shimmer. Now, all 4 of these colors can be used on your cheeks as well as your lips. It's just a matter of how to put it on. Now that I've told you about this, I'm curious. Have you ever used a 2-in-1 product before? Comment below and let us know if you have. I'm really curious to find out if you've done a 2-in-1 color before. So now let's talk about the 2 tools that you can use to actually apply these various colors. Now, like I said, we got 4 different shades that you can actually apply depending on your preference and, of course, your God-given attributes. And as I always tell you guys, you got to do you, boo. So whatever color you decide, I'm sure it's going to look great on you. But the way you can apply it is 2 ways. One, you can apply it using your finger. And in this video right here, I'm going to show you exactly how I put on my cheek color using my finger. I made sure that I rubbed the cheeks on the apples of my cheeks by smiling, and then I just applied it directly on, making sure that the cheek color does not go below my nose and does not go past my hairline or into my hairline. So that is how you put it on your cheeks. Now, secondly, when you apply it to your lips, you can also use that same finger and put that on directly on your lips. Now, this is a creamy formula, so it goes great on your lips as well as on your cheeks, and it's moisturizing, so it allows your lips to be moisturized throughout the day. And then you can apply it in several layers depending on how thick or deep you want your lipstick. So make sure that you do that, okay? So that is the first way. Now, the second way is actually to use the cheek brush to apply the color on the apples of your cheek. Again, the same way, making sure that the color doesn't go below your nose or past your hairline. And then for your lips, you're going to use the cream color brush to apply it to your lips. Now, for those of you that don't want to use the brushes, like I said, you can use your fingertips. And then for those of you that don't want to use your fingertips, you can use the brushes. But whatever you decide, girlfriend, you can definitely do this. And this can be done if you're in the car. Now, I would strongly recommend that if you're doing this in the car, more than likely you're probably going to want to use the brush. And the reason that I say that is because the stuff is going to get on your fingers, and you don't want all of this on your steering wheel. So make sure that if you do this in the car, and granted you can if you want, use your fingers and just wipe it off on a tissue or just apply it with the brush. But I'm just going to put that decision completely up to you. So I am curious, girlfriend, Before we go on to the next part of the video, I want to know, are you going to use your fingers or are you going to use a brush? Comment below and let us know. And by the way, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We would love for you to subscribe so you don't miss a beat. We upload a video every Tuesday for your viewing pleasure, and we want you to subscribe so you won't miss it, okay? All right, so now let's talk about how can we put our hands in our bag without making a mess. Now, I'm sure that when you saw that, you were thinking, okay, now what is Inga talking about here? So let's get down to the nitty gritty. For you to be able to do that, I have the perfect organizing tool for you. It is the mini palette. And the mini palette allows you to put this creamy cheek color and lip color in this palette, which is this here. And then you're able to put that one eye color. Now, I just put one in here because I really wanted to show you that this is really a dash out the door look. So you have your cheek and lip as well as your eye color all in one palette, and that you can quickly just put in your purse. You close this up, put it in your purse, and you don't have to worry about the mess in your beauty bag because everything is secure and you can just grab the palette, do what you need to do, and quickly put it back in your beauty bag without the mess. So isn't that cool? You can put everything in here. It has a metallic back to it, so it won't fall out. So even if you have this upside down, you don't have to worry about it falling out. And this is just the Petite palette that we have with the Mary Kay Skin, really Cosmetics, the Petite palette to allow you to put your cheek as well as your eye color in. This is a customized palette, so you can put whatever you want in here. So if you didn't want to have the 2-in-1 color like I have in here now, you could put 4 eyeshadows in here, but it allows you to really put everything together without the mess. So if you're interested in any of these products, the eye color I have in here, any other neutral eye colors that you could quickly apply if you want to do that kind of dash out the door, that quick work look, I'll put that down in the description below, as well as the links to go and see the 4 2-in-1 colors that I mentioned today. Everything will be down in the description. So check that out. And as always, thanks for watching and bye for now.